Hello everyone, this is a chromotherapy light device. You can use it over your bed, bench, anywhere you would like. Just hook it up to the wall or mount it to a pedestal and you're all set. We have the 7 chakras, crystal lights made by quartz. It's a unique type of device, handmade. And as you can see, you can turn the lights on in a sequence or all of them at the same time. You can do it as fast or as low as you want. You see, you can turn them all. You can turn them all of them at the same time, or you can turn them on individually. You can turn some of them on and off if you like. This device is completely handmade, and again, you're not gonna find many of them on the market. This one is definitely the best one available out there in the market, and believe it or not, it's not the most expensive. You're gonna get a great deal with us if you go online and get one of these in our eBay store. Do not hesitate, send us your questions, ask us whatever you need to know, and we're gonna help you to figure out the best way to use this device. Please do not hesitate, contact us. We're gonna wait for your order. Thank you.